Okay, good morning, grade 3 students. So we'll finish explaining the session of today's session. So roughly, we go to the class book, page 11. So we are in here on reading and speaking. So first we said, where is the autumn festival? When you go back in here, you can see that the autumn festival is in China. Second question, what do people eat in the autumn festival? Going back to page 108, you will see that people they eat round moon cakes, as you explained before. What can children do in the winter festival? When we go back in here in the winter festival, we can see that children can slide down a giant ice slide. Next, which festival happens all over the world? Meaning festival that is worldwide, happens in the whole world. And as you can see in here, it's a festival around the world, which is Eid al-Fitr, because Muslims are all over the world, so it is worldwide or international one. When is the Saudi Culture Festival? Of course, Saudi Culture Festival, Janadriya, as you can see in here, we said it is in February or in March. The next question is, what type of races can you see at Janadriya? So in here, races, you'll see you can watch people make traditional clothes, bags, coffee pots, and many other things. Camel races in here. There are camel races in Janadriya, Saudi National Festival. Now, the second question is for the short story of Androcles and the Lion. Why did Androcles run away from his master? When you go back to the story, Androcles was a slave. His master was not kind. One day, Androcles ran away. So, because he was not kind, his master was not kind, so Androcles decided to run away. Why didn't the lion jump up on Androcles in the forest? When we go back to the story, Androcles now is jump. You aren't jumping on me, Mr. Lion. Why not? What's wrong? Is there something in your paw? Oh, yes. Oh, look. A big thorn. Can pull it out. Stay still, Mr. Lion. There it is out. So Lion didn't jump up on Androcles because there was a thorn, in his paw. The next question is, why did Androcles take the thorn out of the lion's paw? Of course. Are you going? Are you going now? Goodbye, Mr. Lion. So Androcles, he saw the lion, suffering. Look at him. Oh, ouch. So the lion is suffering because of his thorn, as if God cannot speak, as if the lion is looking for or asking for assistance, for help. When we go in here, question number 4, why didn't the lion eat Androcles? As you can see here at the end of the play, Androcles, you are run away. Now you must go and fight the lion. So Androcles was caught again, and now the king and the soldiers in there, they want Androcles. They throw him in the lion cage and they want him to fight the lion. But surprise was that the lion is not jumping on Androcles. The opposite is getting closer to him like a friend, saying hello, giving him his hand, showing him his paw, that he helped in getting out the thorn before. So the lion remembered Androcles and remembered his reaction with him when he helped him was he was, in the burden or in the saffron forest. That's why, guys, the moral from this story, if you help someone, Allah always will bring you someone else to help you. Okay? So keep always cool and kind and help each other all the time. Here we'll read and write the season and the correct picture. In spring, people put plants in the ground. So what is spring? This one, of course. People put plants in the ground. Summer is the hottest season. Of course, what is the hottest season? This is summer. Then in autumn, people pick fruit. In here, people that can pick fruit in autumn. Then winter is the cold season, as you can see here. It's snowman, and this is snow season. Tomorrow, inshallah, guys, we'll see That's My Bag Part 5. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget that you have a quiz on one of the Muklas. Do it, and thank you very much for your attention.